welcome to Tantalizing Brick Builds. On part 1 of this video, I showed you how to build a Lego Mini TV for your Switch screen. And today I'll be showing you how to build a Joy-Con holder and a dock holder. For the dock holder, what you want to do is have 6 bricks tall with a dimension that would fit your dock perfectly. Like for example, you could have a 14 by 26 stud gap long gap, which is 6 bricks tall. But on the 8th stud, on the left side, you want to make a T-shape for the cables. You want to leave a 1 by 2 stud gap here and a 2 by 2 stud gap here. You want to build a T-shape which has 3 2 by 2s with the 1 by 4 stacked on top. You just want to put that here, so now you have a gap for your wiring. Now, for the Joy-Con holder, it's very simple. So you want to start with a 6 by 4 base with 4 bricks going up with a 6 by 6 bricks, a 1 by 2 gap, and another 6 by 1 brick here. So you want to build that 4 times with a base using bricks, preferably 3 2 by 4s. And after you've done that, just put a coating of tiles on top. Now you want 2 2 by 6s with the same thing, a 4 brick tall wall, just like this, with a 2 by 1 gap here, well not really a gap but brick, and a 1 by 6 on both sides, and plates to finish it off on the bottom. Now what you want to do is simply just put your plates on top and stack it in the right way so it just joins together like this. And now you can just hold your Joy-Cons. And for a little bonus, if you've somehow put a very certain brick just here, so the 5th brick is, if the 5th brick is a 1 by 2 and you have this specific piece, then what you can do is put that on here on the dock thing with 2 1 by 2 plates going on top. Finish the bricks off, and now it will hold your stand. If you enjoyed my video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Bye!